What's up, Headless Horde? Welcome back to the channel. So today, I want to make a quick little video, a little tutorial for you. How to remove a sticker from one of the Harry Potter hard cases. Now, I believe that the records and albums and all that kind of stuff is very similar to this, but they have this film on the bottom and all throughout where the sticker is on the outside. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to remove that sticker and I'm going to put it actually on the hard case. So because I don't like the film on it, because you can, I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera, but you can see it's very dirty. And I actually almost, when I first opened it, I was really upset because I thought it was actually on the case until I actually took it out of the box. So what I'm going to do is pull up this other camera and I'm going to show you how to remove it. All right, so what we're going to do is all you need is obviously the case, and you need a hair dryer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this approximately 5 to 6 inches maybe above it. I don't want to do too long on here. The sticker will come off, but I also am not 100% positive what's going to happen with this, and I don't want to shrink it. So we're going to use like a medium heat and about 6 inches above. And I do have it on warm. So we're just going to kind of move it around. And I have my thumb here, so I can just kind of feel how warm this is getting. So I'm going to go by another 15 seconds and test it out. And I like to go circles around it because I want to make sure I get all the edges. At this point, you have a couple options. You can use a razor blade and really try to pry it off. I actually just go ahead and use my fingernail because it usually comes off pretty quick. So we're going to test it, and I'm going to turn it here. And we're just going to see if we can catch the sticker. And I'm not forcing it. And if it doesn't come off, because usually they come off right away, I'm definitely not going to force it. And what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to use the blow dryer just a little bit longer. It could be that this plastic here is making it grip more than like the actual box on a Funko Pop. So we're going to continue to do this for a little bit longer. I can tell it wants to come, but I also don't want to ruin the sticker. All right, so after heating this up, I actually went a little bit longer than I thought I was going to. I'm going to go ahead and peel this because I'm having no luck getting this off. The only other time I can remember doing this was with the Darth Vader Artist Series when it came out at New York Comic Con, and they put the debut sticker actually on the plastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of play with it this way because I can grab it better. I can feel it coming now. And I'm just going to go slow. All right, so we got it. Now, don't worry. If it feels like it's not very sticky, we'll get it to stick. All right, so what we're going to do is make sure you get your placement. Now, I'm actually going to place it where all your stickers are placed for Funko. I'm going to place it in this corner right here. Let's try to smooth it out the best I can. And then, once you have it exactly how you want it, and sometimes it's nice to take a credit card and you can kind of smooth it even better. Or a New York Comic Con badge. Try to fix those edges on the stickers as best you can. Because right now you can tell it's not really sticking. But we'll fix that. I'd say about half of it is. The bottom doesn't want to, but we'll get it. So after you have your placement, you have it smoothed out as best as you can. Then we're going to take it on that warm heat again. And, you know, you could do high heat. You just got to be careful. You don't want it super close, but you can definitely use it. And I actually might use high heat because it's not really sticking. Usually the stickers will still kind of stick, and you use this to re-glue it. So I'm actually going to turn it on high heat, and I'm going to just put it on low. And we're going to kind of hold it above. And we're just going to let that kind of press back in. Let's see if we can't get that glue back. So it looks like the top is pretty good. I'm just trying to get that bottom. And I'm just kind of going back and forth with the card, trying to smooth it out and get that glue to catch. And just give it a couple finishing touches of smoothing it out. So it definitely takes more work than a regular Funko Pop. But now you can see we have it on there like that. And then that way you can actually display it in the hard case and you can actually see instead of having that film over it and, making it look a lot nicer that way. All right, you guys, let me know. Leave me down in the comments if this video helped you. Any other recommendations you might have if you've tried to do something like this. But it came out pretty good, and now I can proudly display House Slytherin with my Harry Potter Funko Pops. All right, thank you so much for watching. Keep those heads on, and I'll see you guys in the next video.